Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the necessary tools at hand. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Start by unplugging your Dyson V8 and placing it on a stable surface. Now, locate the two screws at the back of the vacuum. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Place them in a safe location to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the battery cover off. This may require a little force, but be cautious not to damage the clips. With the cover removed, you'll see the battery compartment. Next, disconnect the battery by pressing down on the release tab and pulling it out. It's important to handle the battery carefully to avoid any damage. If you notice any dust or debris inside the compartment, this is a good time to clean it using a soft cloth. A clean vacuum is a more efficient vacuum. Now, take your new compatible battery and slide it into the compartment until you hear a click. Make sure it's securely in place before proceeding. Reattach the battery cover by aligning it properly and pressing down until it clicks into place. Now, take your T15 Torx screwdriver and replace the two screws you removed earlier. Ensure they are tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening as this might damage the plastic. Once everything is back in place, give your Dyson V8 a quick test to ensure it powers on correctly. If you encounter any issues or feel unsure about the process, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our team can assist you with any questions you may have. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do it yourself, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. We'll quote you before any repairs are made, ensuring transparency throughout the process. Finally, once you've confirmed that your Dyson V8 is working properly, enjoy your clean home. Regular maintenance, including battery checks, will help prolong the life of your vacuum. If you need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.